Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all in your mathematics class. Today we are going to learn chapter 12 percentage part 5. First, we discuss some important note.
Computing simple interest. To compute simple interest, we use the formula simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100, where P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate per annum and T is equal to time in years. By using this formula, we solve the activity 5.
Now we discuss activity 5.
Question number 1. Find the interest if principal P is equal to rupee 300, rate of interest R is equal to 8% per annum and time period T is equal to 1 year. As we know that interest I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. We put the above value in this formula. So P is equal to 300 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now we solve it. 0, 0 and second 0 cancel. So we get 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 upon 1. This is equal to 3 8s are 24, 24 1s are 24 रुपी. सो हमें यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट मिला है 24 रुपीज़. नेक्स्ट सी. प्रिंसिपल P is equal to rupee 25,000, rate R is equal to 12.5% per annum and time period T is equal to 4 years. As we know that interest I is equal to PRT upon 100. We put the above value in this formula. We get 25,000 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 4 upon 100. यहाँ पे ये जो डेसिमल नंबर है उसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 125 एंड डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा 10 एज ए डेसिमल नंबर में 1 डेसिमल प्लेस है. फर्स्ट 0 कैंसिल, सेकंड 0 कैंसिल एंड थर्ड 0 कैंसिल. सो वी गेट 25 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 4. 25 एंड 4 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो हमें यहाँ पे मिलेगा 100 multiplied by 125 and this is equal to 12500. That means 12,500 rupees. Next E. P is equal to rupee 43,800. R is equal to 16% per annum and time period T is equal to 105 days. हम यहाँ पे टाइम पीरियड को ईयर में लेते हैं तो 105 डेज़ को ईयर में कन्वर्ट करना है. डेज़ को ईयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए गिवन नंबर ऑफ डेज़ को 365 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये हमें टाइम पीरियड ईयर में मिल जाएगा. As we know that interest I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Now we put the above value in this formula. We get 43,800 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 105 upon 100. multiply by 365. First 0 cancel and second 0 cancel. So we get reduced form 438 multiply by 16 multiply by 605 upon 365. तो यहाँ पे 105 एंड 365 दोनों 5 से डिविजिबल है, दोनों को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 21 5 ज़ा एंड 73 5 ज़ा. So 438 multiply by 16 multiply by 21 upon 73. As we know that 73 6 are 438. So we get rupee 6 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 21 upon 1. And this is equal to 16 6 are 96 multiplied by 21. On multiplying, we get answer 2016. So interest is 2060. Remaining sums of this question you will do in your homework. Next, question number 2. Find the amount if principal P is equal to rupee 800, rate of interest is equal to 6% per annum, and time period T is equal to 3 years. First of all, we find simple interest. As we know that simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Now we put the above values in this formula. We get rupee 800 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 upon 100. 0 0 cancel and we get rupee 8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 and we get simple interest rupee 144. Now we find amount. To find amount, we add principal and simple interest. So amount A is equal to P plus SI. यहाँ पे अमाउंट है 800 प्लस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हमें मिला है 144. On addition, we get answer rupee 944. Next, see, find amount if P is equal to rupee 6,550, R is equal to 2.5% per annum, and T is equal to 6 years. First of all, we find simple interest. We put the above value in simple interest formula. यहाँ पे ये जो डेसिमल नंबर है उसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमें फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा 25 अपॉन 10 एज 2.5 हैज़ 1 decimal place. Now we cancel 0 0 and 25 4 जा 100. तो हमने यहाँ पे 25 को कैंसिल किया है. अगेन हम यहाँ पे 2 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 3 2 ज़ा एंड 4 2 ज़ा. सो वी गेट rupee 655 multiplied by 3 upon 2. On multiplying, we get answer 1965 upon 2. 1965 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा 982.5 rupees. Remaining sums of this question you will do in your homework. Now we solve question number 3. Ramesh invested rupee 5,000 for 4 years at 4% per annum. How much interest will he get after 4 years? Here given that principal P is equal to rupee 5,000, rate of interest R is equal to 4% per annum, and time period T is equal to 4 years, and we have to find simple interest. So simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. We put the above values in this formula. So rupee 5,000 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 upon 100. 0 0 cancel, and we get rupee 50 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. This is equal to rupee 800. Hence Ramesh will get rupee 800 as interest. Next, we solve question number 4. Mrs. Mahapatra deposited rupee 48,000 in a bank for 5 years. So, यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल P गिवन है rupee 48,000 and time period T given है 5 years. Next, if the bank paid interest at the rate of 8% per annum, that means यहाँ पे rate of interest R है 8% per annum. How much amount will Mrs. Mahapatra get back after 5 years? That means हमें अमाउंट फाइंड करना है. अमाउंट फाइंड करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. तो हम यहाँ पे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करते हैं. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू P मल्टीप्लाई बाय R मल्टीप्लाई बाय T अपॉन 100. P यहाँ पे है रupee 48,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 और इसको 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 0 0 कैंसिल and we get 480 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 480 multiplied by 40, and this is equal to rupee 19200. Now we find amount. So amount A is equal to principal P plus simple interest, and this is equal to rupee 48,000 plus rupee 19,200. On addition we get amount rupee 67,200. Hence, Mrs. Mahapatra will get rupee 67,200 after 5 years. Next, question number 5. Find the simple interest on rupee 12,000 for 7 years at 6.5% per annum. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है, प्रिंसिपल गिवन है, टाइम पीरियड गिवन है एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट गिवन है एंड हमें यहाँ पे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है. दिस इज टू इन योर होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट, we solve question number 3. Aditya borrowed rupee 21,000 for 8 months at 12 complete 1/2% per annum. How much amount should he pay back to clear his debt? First of all, we write what we have. Principal P is equal to rupee 21,000. Rate of interest R is equal to 12 complete 1/2% per annum. This is equal to 13 twos are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25/2% per annum and time period T is equal to 8 months. बट टाइम पीरियड हम ईयर में लेते हैं तो 8 मंथ्स को ईयर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो 8 मंथ को ईयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो टाइम पीरियड इज इक्वल टू 8/12 ईयर्स. नाउ वी फाइंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. We put the above values in this formula. Rupees 21,000 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 8 upon 1,000 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12. 0 0 cancel, second 0 cancel, and we get reduced form 210 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 8 upon 2 multiplied by 12. 8 and 12 दोनों 4 से डिविजिबल है, दोनों को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 4 2s and 4 3s. And 2 2 cancel. So we get reduced form 210 multiplied by 25 upon 3. 210 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पे 17. सो वी गेट आंसर 17 multiplied by 25 and this is equal to rupee 1,750. सो हमें यहाँ पे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मिला है 1,750. नाउ वी फाइंड अमाउंट. टू फाइंड अमाउंट ए वी ऐड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रिंसिपल पे. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है 1,750 एंड प्रिंसिपल है 21,000. ऑन एडिशन वी गेट अमाउंट rupee 22,750. Hence, Aditya will pay rupee 22,750 to clear his debt. Next, we solve question number 7. Which is greater, interest on rupee 5,000 for 7 years at 5% per annum or interest on rupee 5,000 for 6 years at 6% per annum? We find simple interest on both the cases. Case 1. Here P is equal to rupee 5,000. Rate of interest is equal to 5% per annum, and time period T is equal to 7 years. So simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 1000. We put above values in this formula. We get 5,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 upon 100. 0 0 cancel, and we get reduced form 50 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. This is equal to 50 multiplied by 35, as 5 sevens are 35, and this is equal to 1750. Now we calculate simple interest for case 2. Here P is equal to rupee 5,000, R is equal to 6% per annum, and time T is equal to 6 years. So simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. This is equal to rupee 5,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 upon 100. 0 0 cancel, and we get reduced form 50 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. This is equal to 50 multiplied by 36, as 6 6 are 36. On multiplying these two numbers, we get answer rupee 1,800. Hence, interest on rupee 5,000 for 6 years at 6% per annum is greater.
Here we completed the activity 5 of chapter 12. Thank you one and all.